Media Examiner. So that company is actually organizing one event for social media marketing and how they are utilizing social media platforms for promoting that event. So that is the case today's discussion. How and what they have done and how we can also promote our event that we are going to discuss. See, number one thing, what we can do is create the video people will share. Develop those kind of content that people would like to share with their peers, right? So creating a stellar video with great visuals and sound that will help you drive the people to your event, and definitely these people will also like to share it with their friends. Many a times we check on Facebook also that okay, there is one event being organized. If I like it, then definitely I am prompted to share it in my friends group. Leverage the videos everywhere. I mean to say, not only on your own website but also on your social media platforms like your Twitter, maybe your Facebook, your YouTube. In fact, any kind of platform, maybe affiliates also, you can share small videos. So those videos are actually inciting the people to take part in your event. Hosting of videos on Vimeo and YouTube, both are very important. Definitely Vimeo's brand control and YouTube's access to the large audience will help you a lot, right? Next, upload to Facebook, because you are having the maximum number of followers on Facebook generally, and the largest chunk of audience is also there, right? Focus on the value for attendees. For example, my event will be maybe on some educational topic, so we can give a brief idea of that topic within the video itself, right? What the candidates will learn from that event, so you can give them a small glimpse of it. For example, if I'm organizing an event on maybe corporate social responsibility, so in that case I can share some videos including some good work being done by the corporate, and sometimes we may be actually sharing the videos of the experts who are going to discuss, right? We can ask them to give a small clip, maybe 1 minute or maybe 30 seconds clip, that will be helpful for my customers to understand what they are bound to get by attending my event. Give away tickets to create the buzz. If it is a physical event, then definitely you can give some tickets, maybe 5-10 tickets free of cost for the people who are doing some small activity on your event. For example, you have created a Twitter post, and on the tweet, if the people are liking it or they are sharing it, so or maybe they are sharing how excited they are to attend your event, so we can give them some tickets, right? There can be some prizes also. So it is also a good practice that you can give away some t-shirts or some caps or maybe some postcard simply signed by all those celebrities who are going to be major attraction of your event, right? So one example we can see, just have a look at it. Kim Morrison is sharing would be the best Valentine gift ever to win a ticket to Social Media Examiner World. And then we are sharing a link through which people can come, they can click and they can participate in that event. One person just added my written entry to this event. It felt great to tell our story at Opera Pulse and we are super excited. The third person says, last day to enter, I really hope to win a ticket to Social Media Marketing World. So what is happening? These people, they have actually participated. They have registered themselves to this event that is being organized by Social Media Marketing World, and they are sharing their stories, their excitement levels on Twitter, right? So this way, the company is actually generating more buzz around that event. One small blog that could be helpful. One blog post, win free tickets to Social Media Marketing World 2013, right? So this is one small blog post that has been created, and you can see number of tweets. How many tweets are there? 4,192 tweets about this particular post. Okay, so we are giving away the prizes, how the people can participate. How do we invite the people to participate? Number one, tweet contest. On the tweet, you can ask the people to answer small questions, maybe 2-3 questions you can create. What is your greatest social media challenge? So people might be sharing their own feelings, their own observations. Then you have some judges. Recruit the judges who will help you expand your reach, because these judges could be well-known faces, so their followers will be actually bound to be attracted towards your event. Just imagine if your event is having somebody from corporate like Sachin Bansal or Binny Bansal, and you are organizing event on e-commerce, and these people are the judges, then definitely all those people who are following Binny Bansal on Facebook, they will be attracted towards your event. Keep the recruitments very easy. Don't complicate the participation process, please. If you want to make your event successful in terms of number of participants, keep the terms and conditions very easy. Maybe single click tweet, that will be good enough. Run the contest at a time which will be helpful to your sales cycle. For example, if you just want to have the branding, so you need to start well in advance. If you want to sell the tickets, it has to be closer to the date, right? Or if the people want to explore more about an event, it should be in the medium term. Just imagine if the event is having a life cycle of maybe 1 month. So initial 1 week, it could be for branding of the event. Then next 2 weeks could be more about post by the celebrities and something more about the event you are going to share. And closer to the date, you are selling the tickets directly, right? Initial 2-3 weeks, you are giving away the free tickets, but closer to the date, you are simply selling it. Maybe some small discounts you can offer in the closing weeks. If you have a podcast, you can have a special episode explaining the contest. Podcast means having that sound based recording, and you are sharing it closer to your event. Socialize your Google ads. On the Google also, you need to check what kind of event promotion is possible. If you are having a Google Plus page, that is going to be helpful. If so, you can actually add social proof to your paid Google ads, right? So if you are showing that, okay, I am having my existence on Google and I am running this contest, then people are having that feeling that, yes, this is a legitimate event. Credibility will go high. In case your event is, your organization is not having so much of presence online, so in that case, social media accounts are going to be helpful. If your website is not so exciting, you are not so popular brand, so in that case, your social media account should be linked with your advertisements, right? Add social profiles to the Google advertisements, right? So that people can simply click and they can go to your blog or they can go to your social media from Google advertisements, right? So generally what happens, we give the advertisements only for my own website or my own blog, but generally these events can actually attract the people on your social media account also. So one advertisement we have already shown you in this slide. Interview the speakers for special content, because these speakers are having some special knowledge with them. That's why you are inviting them. Otherwise, there is no reason. So if you're having some special speakers, so you can invite them to give some more content that can be valuable for all. So you can simply have a small interview, right? Sir, okay, this event is being organized, so what is your opinion about the current situation? Or you can ask the topic related to your event itself. What to discuss in the interviews? Generally, people may get excited because of the event itself, so they start talking about the event all the time in interviews also. So generally we should avoid it. हमें बात करना चाहिए contemporary issues, the relevance of the topic, and instead focus on exploring the expertise of the presenter and creating the quality content. At the end of the podcast, we can mention that listeners could be met the interviewee live at event. कि भी अगर आपको आगे कुछ पूछना है तो आप इस एक्सपर्ट से मिल सकते हैं. We are organizing this event. You are welcome. You can register. This is how you can do it. Create a group tips blog post. On the blog post, you can actually pool the knowledge of multiple people at one common platform. एक ही post आपने बनाया in which you are giving some virtual interview sort of. You are asking one question, one expert is replying. Then second question, second person is replying. So that is group tips blog post. Great way to involve the experts, and they provide ongoing exposure for your presenters. Your event is like 1 month away, but within this 1 month period of time, you are asking them different questions, you're taking out the knowledge from them, and you are sharing it with your audience, so that audience can also understand, yes, this presenter is going to be great resource, right? So one more great idea could be that you are having some more blogs or some special articles that have been created related to your topic, and you can share it in advance with the people. For example, for this social media marketing world, two articles were produced which are having the experience of their presenters. So you can see these are the two important articles. 24 must have social media marketing tools, 21 social media tips for the pros. Also, we can have the mention of the event at the end of each article, right? So this is how the group tips are going to be helpful. Special graphics for your speakers. Just look at this example. See Sarah live. This is the event, date, time, and click here for details. So this special post has been created for meeting an expert. तो अभी आपके इवेंट का प्रमोशन कम है, यहाँ पे एक्सपर्ट का प्रमोशन ज्यादा है. So this way, what will happen? This expert might be interested in sharing this post on their own social media platforms, which is having large number of followers, and these followers will actually be tempted to actually register for your events. So go to the effort to create custom graphics that your presenters can also use, right? This kind of post can also be used in the offline mode. So those places which are having large footfall, so they can also be invited, and they can also participate in your online event or offline event, whichever way it is being organized. Creating a tweet for attendees. If people are excited about attending your event, why not ask them to click a button and tell their friends about it? So we are asking them to promote your event. Okay, I'm excited to actually uh, participate in this event, or we are actually giving them a message that, okay, thanks for registering, click here to create the code for a customized tweet. So one example has been shown. You can see, tell your friends you are attending, share a link with your followers. So this particular link can be automatically created in your social media, and you are sharing it with your people so that they can put it on their own social media platforms. Just imagine अगर आपके इवेंट में 1000 लोग participate कर रहे हैं, so these 1000 tweets are only about your event, and these are all organic, they are not paid. That will have great effect on your publicity. Add a Twitter widget to your events page. That is again one great idea. Twitter widget is a small window of Twitter account that can be put on your event page itself. Right? एक छोटा सा window ऐसा बन के आ गया, which is having multiple people who are sharing the event on their own platform. So that is being shown here. So Twitter is having that cool widget that you can utilize on your event. Create an event on Facebook, definitely. That's a great way. Facebook में जाके आप एक normal post भी डाल सकते हो. Even you can create a special event, and that event page can also be popularized. उसको भी आप promote कर सकते हो, उसमें बहुत सारे interviews डाल सकते हो. जितना भी content आप बना रहे हो, that can be shared maybe on event page itself. Even tagging the names is also going to be helpful for the experts. आपके एक्सपर्ट जितने भी हैं उन सब के इवेंट्स के साथ में लिंक कर सकते हैं. So one example you can see, it is showing you the social media marketing world. That is an event that has been created, date and time is mentioned, the map is also being shown, and how many people are going. So that is also going to great popularize your event. Utilize the Facebook FBX ad targeting. FBX targeting is important for remarketing to the people who have visited specific non-Facebook page. जिन लोगों ने आपका Facebook के अलावा कुछ और प्रॉपर्टी विजिट किया है, so they can be shown your advertisement with the help of Facebook Exchange और FBX बोलते हैं, that is the ad targeting. We can show the event ads to the Facebook user who has visited our event page but they did not purchase. जो लोग मेरे इवेंट पे गए थे, मेरे वेबसाइट पे गए थे, वहां जाके टिकट नहीं परचेज किया, they can be shown